Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class and we are studying mensuration chapter. 23rd C exercise we are going to continue today. See the question. A square tiles of side 20 cm are to be laid on the floor of a room 10 meter by this 0.5 meter. How many tiles will be needed? Also find the cost of putting the tiles at rate 131.40 rupees per tile. See what is the question asking children. In a room on the floor we have to put the tiles. Room length and breadth is given. The side of the tile is given 20 centimeter. Tiles are in the shape of a square. Question is asking how many tiles are required. So children, there is the concept. The area of the tiles will be equal to area of the floor, because what area of the floor is there, that much area of the tile can be put on that. It means to find the number of tiles, the area of the floor is divided by area of one tile. This is the concept. In such type of questions, if you have to find number of tiles, okay, so area of the floor will be divided by area of one tile. Understood? So see how to solve. You have to find number of tiles. So what is the concept here? Area of the floor divided by area of one tile. This is the concept children which you have to remember. How will you find the number of tiles? The area of the floor is divided by area of one tile. In this question, area of the floor means area of the room, because room length and breadth is given. So length is 10 meter, breadth is 4.5 meter. And what will be area of one tile? Tile is in the shape of a square and its side is 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. This is the area of one tile. Now be careful children. Length and breadth of the floor is in meter and side of the square tile is centimeter. Without making the unit same, don't calculate your question. Okay, be careful. First make the unit same. 10 meter is equal to 10 into 100 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 10 meter is equal to 10 into 100. Similarly here, 4.5 meter is equal to 4.5 into 100 centimeter. Understood? Now you can see that units are same. In the numerator also centimeter, centimeter. In denominator also centimeter. So both the centimeters will cancel each other. Now you can calculate. 20 dividing 100 by 5 times. 20 dividing 100 by 5 times. Now multiply and get your answer. 10 is multiplied by 4.5. Then it will become 45. 45 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 is multiplied by 45. Then what will you get? See here. 1125. That means number of tiles is 1125. But in your question, you have to find the cost of putting the tiles at this per tile. One tiling cost is 131.40. Then what will be the cost of this tile? Find the answer here. Cost of putting tiles will be, this 1125 will be multiplied by 131.50. Now multiply and get your answer. 4 into 5, 20, 4 to 8 to 10, 1 carry on, 4 into 1, 4 plus 1 5, 4 into 1 4, 1 into 5 5, 2 1 1, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry on, 3 2s are 6 1 7, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 again, 1 5 2 1 1, 0 5 10 to 12, 1 carry on, 6 5 11 7 18, 1 carry on, 2 3 5 2 7 4 1. See here, 1 4 7 8 2 5 0 and one more 0. Okay, because there is one more 0, so you will get this one after multiplication. When 1125 is multiplied by 131.40, you will get 1,47,825. Okay, so this is your answer. No need of writing these zeros. 1,47,825 rupees is the cost of putting the tiles. Okay, now see the second question. The area of a rectangular park is 1,560 meters square and its breadth is 24 meters. See this question. Again here area is given 1,560 meters square. Breadth has been given 24 meters. Then you have to find length and perimeter and cost of fencing. There are three questions. You have to find length also, you have to find perimeter also and cost of fencing also. So see how to do. Apply the area formula. We know that length into breadth is equal to area. Therefore, length will be equal to area upon breadth. Okay, area is 1,560 meters square. Breadth is 24 meter. By dividing it, we will get the length. Divide and get your answer. 12 dividing 24 by 2 times. 12 dividing 156 by 130 times. Okay. 12 dividing 156 by 13 times, then 12 0 0. 2 dividing 130 by 65. That means length of the park is 64 meter that we have got. If length is 64 meter, then what will be the perimeter? We know the formula for perimeter. 2 into length. Length we have got 65 meter. Breadth has been given 24 meters. See this one. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Now solve it. 2 into 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 89. Now 89 into 2 is equal to perimeter. 2 into 9 18. 2 is 16. 1 17. 178 meter is the perimeter. Now question is asking, also find the cost of fencing. Children, we know that length of the fence is equal to perimeter. Here perimeter we have got means length of the fence we have got. You will write, since length of the fence is equal to 178 meter, therefore cost of fencing is equal to this 178 will be multiplied by rupees 22.50. Now multiply and get your answer. 178 is multiplied by 22.50. 5 into 8 40. 1 carry on. 5 says the 35 4 39. 5 into 1 plus 3 for 8. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. 2 7 is 14. 1 15. 2 1 is 2 1 3. 6 5 3. 0 15. See this one. 4 0 0 5 0 0. One more 0 is here, so one more 0 will come here. Okay. After this, you will put the decimal here. See this one. When 178 is multiplied by rupees 22.50, you will get the answer 4005 rupees. No need of writing these zeros. Okay, must see the questions carefully. Now note down. Okay, now see question number 3. A rectangular plot of land is 50 meter long. The cost of leveling the plot at rupees 12.50 per meter square is rupees 20,000. Then find the area of the plot, breadth of the plot and perimeter of the plot. See children, how will you solve this question? Here length is given 50 meter, breadth is not given. See this. The cost of leveling the plot at rupees 12.50 per meter square. Children, cost of leveling of 1 meter square is rupees 12.50 and total cost of leveling is given 20,000. Just think at these 2 points. 1 meter leveling cost is 12.50 rupees. Then how much leveling cost will be rupees 20,000? We can find it when the total cost is divided by cost of 1 meter square, then we will get the total meter square. Total meter square means area of the land, area of the plot. This is the concept here. Understood? How will you find the area of the land or area of the plot? Area of the plot will be total cost is divided by cost of 1 meter square. This is the concept in this question. Because cost of 1 meter square is this, then cost of how many meter square will be 20,000? Cost of how many meter square, and meter square is the unit of area. That means cost of how much area will be 20,000. To find this, total cost will be divided by cost of 1 meter square. That means 20,000 will be divided by 12.50 and then you will get your answer in meter square because this is the area. Now divide it and get your answer. Children, 12.5 divide 16 times, then you will get 200. See here, 12.5 is multiplied by 16. 16 into 580. 16 into 580. 0 here, 8 carry on. 16 into 32 and 8, 41 carry on. 16 into 1, 16, 4, 20. When 125 is multiplied by 16, we are getting 2000. So if here is decimal, then we can put here decimal. So you can see that 12.5 will divide 200 by 16 times and then 2 zeros more will remain here. It means when 12.50 divide 20,000, you will get 1,600 meter square. Okay, so we have got the area of the plot. Now we can find the second part is breadth of the plot. How will you find the breadth? We know that breadth is equal to area upon length. Area is given 16,000 meter square, that we have found in the first part. Okay, and length has been given 50 meter. So by dividing 1600 by 50 we can get the answer. See here, 0 to 0 cancel. 5 into 3, 15, 5 to 10, 32 meter is the breadth. Understood? Breadth is equal to area upon length. Area we have got in the first part length is 50 meter given in the question. Now find the third part. Perimeter of the plot. How will you find the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula for perimeter. So 2 into 50 plus 32 is 82. So 82 into 2 is 164 meter. This is the perimeter of the plot. Okay. Now see one question related to picture. In this figure, we have to find its perimeter and area both. See how will you find? Length of this portion is given 7 meter. And length of this is 2 meter, means this part is also 2 meter. So we can find this portion. This will be 7 minus 2 means 5 meter. Understood? Because this total length is 7 and here this portion is given 2 meter. So this remaining will be 7 minus 2. Is this point understood? 7 minus 2 means 5 meter. Similarly, this length is given 4 but this is not given. But you have to understand these two parts are parallel to each other and equal to each other also. If we join from here, say this, then this will look like a rectangle. So this is 4, this will also be 4. Understood? See, 7, 2, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 2. This length we do not know. How will you know this length? 2 meter plus 4 meter plus 2 meter plus 6 meter. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. Understood? So how will you find the perimeter here? Perimeter means length of all the sides. Start from here so that there will be no confusion. 7 plus 2 plus this portion is 7 minus 2. Okay, direct you can write 5 also, but show this so that we can understand that you know how to find it, this length. 7 minus 2, then 4 plus this 4 plus this 2, then plus 4 plus this 6, then this 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus this length is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. Write it in the bracket. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 meter. See all this. You have written all the measurements of the figure. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 sides are there. We know that perimeter means sum of the sides. That is why all the sides have been added. Now add and get your answer. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 to 36. 36 and 2, 38. 38 plus 4, 42. 42 plus 2, 44 and 6, 50. That means perimeter of this figure is 50 meter. Understood? Add all the numbers and then get your answer. Now how will you find the area? See children, to find the area, divide this into many parts. See here. This is the first part. Suppose this is the second part and this is the third part. Okay. Our first part is a rectangle in which length is 7, breadth is 2. Second part is also a rectangle in which 2 is the breadth and this total is the length. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 is the length. In this third part, 4 is the length, 2 is the breadth. Understood? If you wish, you can write this second, and this is the third part. Okay. So what will be the area of the figure? Area of the figure will be area of first plus area of second plus area of third. Area of first will be 7 meter into 2 meter. Is this point understood? Length is 7, breadth is 2. Okay. Area of second is length is 4, breadth is 2. So 4 meter into 2 meter. Plus area of third is 2 into sum of these. 2 meter into 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 meter. Is this point clear? Length into breadth. This total breadth or total this length is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. Now solve and get your answer. 7 into 2, 14 meter square. 4 into 2, 8 meter square plus 2 into 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 8, 22 meter square. 2 into 14, 28 meter square. By adding this, you are getting 50 meter square. Understood? This exercise is over. On the next turn, we will come with new exercise. Okay? Bye bye.